Our practical training seminars are the core business of Trainmobil. With our team of trainers, we cover over 70 different subject areas and can therefore provide further training in all important areas of the workshop. We focus on practical training and bring along models and vehicles for participants to try out and practice on. Our trainers are on the road 5 days a week and cover the entire German-speaking region. Since 2024, content from our virtual world has also been available in selected training courses, significantly expanding the scope of the training sessions. At our regular trainer meetings, our trainers exchange ideas and undergo further training. There is a lively dialogue with the technical documentation department, where the training courses are developed and designed. This enables us to ensure that our training courses are always up to date.